Good morning. Today grade 5 Chestnut will be conducting the assembly. Our theme for today is you can do it if you try. If people call your hopes and dreams crazy, if they laugh at what they think you can do, great, stay the way you are. Because what most people fail to understand is that calling a dream crazy is not an insult, it's a compliment.
Don't try to be the fastest runner in the world or the fastest runner in your school. Be the fastest ever.
Don't let anyone say you can't do math. Show them you can. Terrible at spelling, they say to you sniggering. Write that book and show it to them.
Don't picture yourself wearing Virat Kohli's jersey. Picture Kohli wearing yours.
He spelled it wrong.
Don't settle for prom queen or striker. Do both.
He had Kohli or Kohli.
Don't believe you have to be like anybody to be somebody.
Don't become the best basketball player on the planet. Be bigger than basketball.
Believe in something, even if it means sacrificing everything.
If you enjoy football, don't let anyone put you down saying you can't. Instead, play it wherever you go, even at the highest level. You shouldn't feel dejected with comparisons being made all the time because of your gender.
When they talk about the greatest dream in the history of the world, make sure it's your dream.
Become the greatest athlete, artist, doctor, journalist, writer, soldier, lawyer, architect or actor ever.
Be the best at what you want to be. Yeah, that's more like it.
Be the best at what you want to be.
Don't ever ask if your dreams are crazy. Ask if they're crazy enough.
You can do it if you try. So go on, just do it. You can do it if you try, so go on, just do it.
So, how do you fix this?
We are now going to sing a song called Fight Song. It's by Rachel Platten. Please sing along.